Welcome back to Heart and Soul Homes. My name is Monica. In today's video, this is going to be kind of fun. We are taking a trip over to San Diego. We have had this condo for 25 years, and my mom has pretty much spent most of her time there during the summers and over the years, and then for the last 7 years, she lived there full time. And now she's with us here in Arizona, but we are going to go over. We've done some remodeling, and we are going to go over and get this all cleaned out and ready for us to use and also to rent. It actually worked out really great. With the remodel in the kitchen, we had an extra fridge, and then from the bathroom, a washer and dryer. And then we had our outside patio furniture was falling apart and just a bunch of junk that needed to be removed. So I was able to contact a company, and they came out and picked up all the huge items and got rid of that, which was really nice because we could at least move around the condo to get to everything that we needed to unload. We have so much to do in here, but the kitchen is remodeled and I need to put it back together. I've been thinking about these three shelves, so the minute I got here I wanted to put them together. Super fun. I think it turned out really cute. I'm trying to go for more of the blues, creams, some pinks. I got this new rug from rugs.com, loving that. This was a table that was out in the garage that we weren't using. We pulled it back in. So I'm going to do some bar stools here. I did the brick wall here like I did in my bedroom just for some added character. And I think it turned out really, really, really nice. This video is going to be just totally going through and putting this house back together. But I think this is kind of the color scheme. This is kind of what I'm going for. But loving the kitchen, loving the storage. I'm gonna try to find a picture of what it used to look like so that we can show you a before and after. Just kind of trying to do up a lot of the dishes. I bought some new dishes, set up the coffee bar. We've got Jesse Aaron. He's never been here before. He's just doesn't know what to do. Yes. But this, so this is the family room. That's like a little sitting area, dining room, kitchen. Oh, and the floors. Look how fabulous the floors are. Doesn't that just look awesome? And we did the white, I'll show it over here, the white subway tiles. Really great, nice to clean, to clean off easily. And then this is one bedroom. We got all this stuff to go through, but this is one bedroom. And all that's got to get cleaned out. And then the hallway. And we got one bathroom here. And then in this bath, we have the washer and dryer. We have so much in this condo already, but there were a few organizing things and like bedding, new bedding and stuff like that I wanted to get at Target, and some, baskets and just some fun little things that I enjoy, that I like. So we had a nice little shopping spree at Target and Ross. Okay, so this is, well, it's considered the guest room, but I haven't even started in here. There's all this to go through. Jesse, the bed, I've got new bedding I'm gonna put on. It's just going through all this stuff. She's gotta go through all of this whole closet and empty that out. But this is some of my new bedding. We're getting through it. This is her bedroom. Still, we gotta go through all this stuff. She's been going in here, but this still needs to get finished. She's been working in here. she likes a lot of stuff. So we're going, she's going through all this little by little. This is all stuff she needs to go through. We're going to be getting rid of that dresser and that dresser, keeping that one, but then getting a king-size bed because we will be renting this. So this is the master bedroom. This is kind of just an update. This table, we're getting rid of the table, but I've just been kind of like, as I find things, unpacking, and think we could use it up on the walls or whatever. So this is kind of like the decor. This is a new rug. So we've got this pretty much cleared out. This is going to be gone and that's going to be gone, but we're ordering a new couch and that's going to take a little time. So I needed one. But we have gotten some stuff done. I need somebody taller to help me get that up there. But this is what we've got. Kind of just did some rearranging decor here. This is all Goodwill. We had them come and take all the garbage, but all of this is Goodwill so far. And this is stuff she's taking home. And this just right here is garbage. So we just need to take that out. But just kind of so you see what we're working with. We're going to use this for kind of like a sitting area, have a chair in there. The kitchen's coming along. I mean, we still have a lot of stuff we're cleaning, but it's coming along. We've got everything put away in the cupboards and everything. I've got some things just a couple things I want to put up there, but I need a bigger ladder. I really like how this has all come out. And the kitchen, I think the kitchen, I'm gonna be looking for pictures, but the whole kitchen is completely new. It was completely gutted. So I'm really liking the wood tones with the white and the light creamy gray. And then just some pops of color. It's our patio. We got to do a lot of work out there. This is a new rug. I'm loving the colors of this rug. And we're just getting stuff. We've got some more decor stuff that I'll, put out. But yeah. So this is like all sand toys and stuff we need to go through. She's got 1,000 pots that we got to look at. But this is the patio. Got to go through all this and go through all of that. And we'll be getting new patio furniture out here too. So it's getting there. Okay, so we're not all the way complete here, but it's looking much better. This is the guest room. We just hung a mirror we had. This we all had. Bedding is new, not this, but bedding is new. Sun we've had since we've had this condo for 25 years, I think. So that's been here. Just move some things around. This is a new rug. Got this from Target, the Opal House. Really loving this. Wanted to see if I could find a smaller one for here on the sides of the bed, but I don't know, they don't make them or whatever. We still have the closet that we need to go through. And yeah. And then this is a view from the bed. Just gonna keep it nice and simple and just peaceful. My mom has definitely over the years been a shopper and just a love of stuff. And she's finally kind of turning to my side of the world and just wanting to have less. So it's just a lot. And we're not even done, with the condo, but we had got so much accomplished on this trip. So I'm really proud of her. She got rid of a huge amount of clothes and just stuff. So it's really going to be relaxing in this house and just you know, a nice place to just relax for ourselves and then whoever rents it. Well, I'm really excited about where we're at right now. I'm really, really happy with it. I hope you enjoyed this little adventure, and I will take you on and we will show you the final product of everything with the new furniture and everything completely cleared out, and just how it all turns out. And we're excited to show some fun family vacations and family time that we can spend together, and looking forward to all of that. Hope you guys have a great day. Please make sure you subscribe, and if you're new, you like the videos, liking and sharing and commenting helps me out so much. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Okay, so this is where we ended up in the kitchen. Really excited about it. I think it looks great. Nice, everything just got decorated. Just again, keeping it really simple, and just got the coffee bar over here. And I did some organizing in here. And sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but I think I've showed you this stuff, but I think this turned out, this is probably one of my favorite areas right here. But yeah. So this is where I'm gonna be keeping fruit and stuff like that, but we put that in the fridge because we've got to come back. Clearly we're not done, and that's okay. Oh, the dogs are getting worried they're not going. Okay, so this is how this area turned out. Let me just show you what we've got. These couches, this furniture is going. I've got furniture ordered, but this is all Goodwill. All Goodwill. So this is all stuff we're getting rid of, which is great. So yeah. Ready for the next adventure.